How to delete a YouTube video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, folks, I'll show you how to delete a video you've posted on YouTube. Changed your mind and want to delete it? The process is pretty straightforward, folks. So let's get started. I'll demonstrate the procedure here on my computer. On your computer, you'll need to go to YouTube Studio. So that's studio.youtube.com. After logging into your account, click on Content here on the side. In Content, you'll need to find the video you want to delete. Just select the video you want to remove. After selecting the video, you'll see some options appear at the top. Then click on More Actions and you'll see the option to delete forever. Click on this option. So one video will be deleted. I've only selected one. If you want to select multiple videos, you can. You'll need to check this box acknowledging that deletion is permanent with no way back. Then just click on Delete Forever. Got it, everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Big hug. God bless. Thanks.